Whether you live in a small apartment, have unpredictable weather, or simply prefer to air dry your clothes, we've got the best tips for drying clothes indoors. Welcome to our video on the best tips for drying clothes indoors. In this video, we'll share some practical and efficient methods to effectively dry your clothes indoors. But, before we proceed, do not forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to stay updated. Say goodbye to the hassle of damp clothes and limited drying space as we dive into these useful tips that will revolutionize your indoor drying routine. Let's get started. If you reserve some space for drying your clothes indoors, then hang your clothes on the clothesline, which is tied between two nails pegs on the wall. This is the first and very simple option. Ceiling clothes drying rack is most popular in apartments or flats and is mostly placed in the balcony due to the lack of space. These days, clothes drying racks of various shapes and sizes are available in the market. Foldable clothes drying rack is very useful and provide an easy and hassle-free solution for air drying clothes indoors even if you have a small home. Rolling clothes drying rack is very useful for anyone who has time constraints or space limitations to set up a clothesline. The X-frame type clothes drying stand provides enough space to hold a good number of garments. Wall-mounted clothes drying rack can be attached to any wall space and remain pretty invisible when not in use. Expandable clothes drying rack is ideal for drying delicate clothes like towel, socks, etc. It folds neatly for easy and discreet storage. The portable tripod drying clothes stand is versatile and self-standing. This stand is meant to dry the clothes naturally, thereby saving energy and keeping the clothes vibrant. Star-shaped clothes drying rack creates more space for air drying clothes indoors. Radiator clothes area is ideal if you're short of space. For drying clothes on the radiator area, just hook it over the heater. It is foldable when not in use. Washer dryer is more popular as clothes dryer. Washer dryer means washing machine with inbuilt tumbler dryer. So, if you need to dry clothes quickly, it's a good option as it washes and dries your clothes in the same cycle. A long staircase also provides a suitable and practical place for drying clothes indoors. The best option to dry your clothes during monsoon season is to hang them on the window covered with the grill. People also use fans for drying clothes indoors during monsoon. Drying clothes on a plastic round peg hanger is the best option for small clothes like hanky, towels, socks, etc. It is most suitable for drying clothes of small kids. The crude simple option for drying clothes indoors is the ladder. You can easily dry your clothes on the ladder as per your needs. By implementing these best tips for drying clothes indoors, you can bid farewell to the frustrations of soggy garments and limited outdoor drying space. So go ahead, take control of your laundry routine, and make the most of your indoor drying possibilities. If you find our video useful, we would request you to give your feedback in the comment box you see below. Happy drying! For more insight, visit our blog link in the description.